Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining me. Today we're going to be checking out the Cantina Especial Grapefruit Paloma. So it's another basically carbonated drink in a can that everyone's trying to do. This one claims 99 calories. The ABV is 5.6, so not as weak as most of the seltzers. It's a little bit stronger, so it probably packs up a little bit of a punch. It's got tequila, natural grapefruit and orange flavors, and carbonation. At least that's what it says in the description on the can. So we're going to taste it, and then we're also going to try to duplicate it in the ingredients I have at home. So let's get started by tasting it. Pretty crisp. It's kind of very, very carbonated. Not much flavor though, I gotta be honest. I feel like it's kind of plain. Get a little bit of the grapefruit, but it's definitely not very overwhelming. I would probably prefer a little bit more taste. You know, let's try it with a little bit of ice. It's not bad, but I definitely like a little bit more flavor. Alright, so let's try to recreate this thing. Alright, we're gonna do 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. One. And 2. I'm going to do 2 ounces. I'm going to use the Cazadores tequila today. And 2. And then we're going to put some orange flavor in there. So we got some fresh orange. I'm going to squeeze 2 slices in there. Alright, and then we're going to shake it. And then we're going to add some carbonation. I got some soda water here. I'm going to throw in there. Alright. Yeah, that's okay. I know what'll spice it up though. I'm gonna make my version of a Paloma using Agave Nectar, which I think will make a big difference. So for this one, we are going to squeeze 2 limes. Going to use 2 ounces of grapefruit. And I'm going to do about 3/4 of an ounce of the Agave Nectar. 2 ounces of our tequila. Alright, and then we are about to shake it. Let's put a little bit more ice in there. Garnish it with a lime and an orange, even though I didn't put any orange in this one. Cheers. Oh yeah, big difference. I would definitely, that Agave Nectar definitely makes a huge difference. That is awesome. Well, there you have it, the Cantina Especial Grapefruit Paloma. And a couple of palomas that I made. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, hit that like button. It helps us out in a huge way. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'm coming with more videos very, very soon. Until next time.